morning, gentlemen. Today's lecture topic is terrorist in Northeast India. So, firstly, I will start with the terrorist. What is the terrorist? Terrorist meaning the violence which is spread in the local regional area or those area who are affected or these are grasped by the terrorist. The terrorist is demanded for the separation of our own land or against the government. These are very affected area. So the northeast India is contain the seven sisters. The seven sisters are starting from the Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, and Meghalaya. Those are the seven sisters. Recently, terrorist organizations are mainly in two parts. The first is in Assam upper side, and second is in Nagaland and some parts of the Manipur. So let's start with the Assam. The Ulfa organization is very active in Assam's upper region. Their demand is that over six districts are separated from the Assam on the basis of their regional language, and the Ulfa are present in the Brahmaputra's river side, so they are important for the Assam state. Ulfa are an organization who is recently surrendered in front of the Indian government, and they also decrease their effect in those area. And the second is the Naga. Naga Council of Nagaland. These are the second who is mainly affected by the Nagaland. Their main motto to increase our terrorist activity in the Nagaland and some part of the Manipur and Myanmar. The main purpose behind this, China gives support to them. As an example, they give the financial support as well as they give the weapons, and sometimes they supply the drug tracking. In July 2015, Nagas attack on the army convoy. These are the 6th Dogra regiment. There in between 18 Indian soldiers are marked. So by this counter attack, Indian army launched the operation against the terrorist group and killed the several 30 terrorists in this operation. So this is the main perspective, and my conclusion is that if you change their mentality, educate them, and you control this terror activity. So Indian government launched that type of operation for the decrease the terrorist activity as well as convince them that this is for you and this work for your development, so they can also change their mentality. So thanks to all of you.
A very good afternoon, friends. My today's lecture topic is terrorism in the northeast state of India. So, friends, when we talk about the northeast, then it consists of the state of Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Assam, and Meghalaya. Now, before coming on to the terrorism part, first we need to understand what are the factors responsible for this. What are the reason behind this? Why the people of northeast take weapons in their hand, and what are their demands? So, friends, there are several reasons behind this. The first important thing is the geographical and demographical difference. The second is we can say the administrative failure, the governance issue. There is we can say dissent against the ASPA, and of course the involvement of the non-state actors like China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, etc. Now, friends, we know that the northeast part is mainly connected through the only 21 kilometers of the Siliguri corridor, and because of this demographical difference, the people of the northeast, basically from Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Manipur, they could not find themselves connected to the mainland of India. We can see there are mostly the tribal areas are there. These are not well connected to society. There is different ethnicity, different we can say language, different culture. There is no organized religion, and we can say that is why we can say they are economically, historically, demographically, linguistically, radically they are not well connected to the main part of India. Now that is the reason, gentlemen. We have seen in 1947, when after the 1947, when the India get unified, the some leaders of the northeastern states, they demand a separate land, separate country, and we have seen the influence of Christian missionaries over there. The, we can say, the transformation of Christianity over there. There is a well education, but there is a very less job opportunity for the people of Northeast. For example, we have seen there is a ULFA, that is United Liberation Front of Assam, and NDFB, the National Democratic Front of Bodoland. These two terrorist organizations mainly operated in Assam, and they basically are against the we can say illegal migrants which enter into their state. So basically, they wanted to protect their ethnicity. So same, the NSCN is there, the National Socialist Council of Nagaland. They basically want a separate country. Even they run a parallel government over there. So this is really a concerning matter for India. Then we have seen the Kuki Liberation Army is there, which demand a separate Kuki land in the Nagaland. So basically, these terrorist organizations demand a separate land, separate country for their, they could not find themselves connected to the rest part of India. So friend, on the other hand, India, on the other hand, take a lot of initiative. We have seen government has given them the inner line permit, and then we have seen the NRC is already regulated in the part of Assam, and government has also signed in 2015 a peace accord with the NSCN, and in 2020 a Bodo accord has been signed by government with the National Democratic Front of Bodoland, so that there will be no regional instability, there will be no communal violence over there. But I think, friends, to solve the terrorism issues over there, first we need to connect the northeastern states to the main part of India, and to give them opportunities, to give them job opportunities. The infrastructure should be developed over there, and also we have seen the factors like China and Myanmar. They are giving them weapons, money, shelter, so that they will spread terrorism over there. But I think right now we have seen there is a lot of terrorism is a curve, already curved there. They are limited to certain part of the northeast, and very soon we have seen that because of the development in the northeastern part, basically the northeastern parts, government is trying to connect it with the Southeast Asia, to the Thailand and Myanmar, to Singapore, and that's where there will be a more development in the northeast, and we will be seeing no terrorism in the northeast part. Thank you very much.